Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Days of Our Lives spoilers reveal that the Johnson brother bond has grown stronger, so it's nice to see them connecting. It was smart to send all the Johnson siblings to Seattle, since they were able to get to know one another off-screen, making it believable that Joey Johnson, Tanner Stein, Tripp Johnson, Lucas Adams, and Stephanie Johnson, Abigail Klain, have all gotten close now. Tripp and Joey's bond in particular has been blossoming lately. In fact, it's reminiscent of the brother bond that Eric Brady, Greg Vaughn, shares with Brady Black, Eric Martsolf. Of course, there have been some rough patches on Days over the years, but Eric and Brady always come out stronger on the other side. Brady and Eric can consistently count on each other, even if things get messy sometimes. Eric has become a bit wilder in recent months, but he's traditionally been more of a good guy character overall. The former priest has played the hero many times, much like Tripp the Good Doctor, who was willing to sacrifice himself to stop the devil's reign of terror. Joey, on the other hand, is perhaps more like Brady. Dual fans watched as Joey played Cupid for Tripp and had pure intentions despite an ill-advised scheme. Brady also tends to land in those types of situations, like when he went along with Kristen DeMera's Stacy Haiduk latest charade and tried to do what he thought was best for the people he loved, even when it backfired. Brady and Joey's romantic approach seems similar when it comes to their brothers as well. Joey tried to push Tripp toward Wendy Shin, Victoria Grace, since he could tell Tripp was pining for her. Likewise, Brady isn't buying Eric's claims that he's done with Nicole Walker, Ariane Zucker, forever. Joey and Brady both have a brother knows best attitude when they're advising Tripp and Eric about their love lives. Days writers have already established Tripp and Joey's bond as one that's a lot like Eric and Brady's. If Joey and Tripp stick around, the show could let that connection evolve even further. Tripp and Joey plan to return to Seattle soon, but that doesn't mean they have to stay there permanently. Days characters are always welcome back home in Salem, so that's good news and could lead to more of the Johnson brothers. Days of Our Lives spoilers say the whole Johnson family is in for a shock once Kayla Brady Johnson, Mary Beth Evans, returns from the dead, so stay tuned for updates on that DOL story development. Thanks for watching this video. And please subscribe our America People News YouTube channel for more update news.